Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to change an image element on Canva application. So usually when you have an element that have a file type as a image or photo or maybe a graphic element. For example, I'm going to found a kangaroo element, this one. So there's a few choice from the elements tools. This one, when you see the graphics element, most of them you can change the color of it, but a few option from this graphic cannot change. You cannot change the color. So the way to change the color from the graphic that you cannot change it, it's just like this. First, select the image that you want to add. For example, I'm going to use this image, and as you can see on this graphic image there's no option to change a color. But when you let me get you one more type, but when you click the others like this, you can change the color. There's an option color changing upside here. So to change the graphic that you cannot change the color, just click the graphic like this and then click this edit button. Okay, and after that swipe up and click this duotone effect on effect bar, and now there will be a plenty of choice of a color that you can change from this element. So if you want to adjust the color as you want to insert your own color, you can just click this custom duotone and you can change the highlight from it like this. You can change it onto maroon maybe, and for the shadow it's up to you. You want to add what color of shadow, you can adding it onto white and it will be look like this, or you can change it onto a black and it will be look like this. Okay, and that's the way to do that, and that's the way to change an image element on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.